have been a lizard. Uh-oh. Look what it says.
It says danger.
Danger.
Okay, careful. Watch your steps.
Is it danger because of the rocks?
So now my mommy is in danger.
Because of the animals?
I think
Because of the people?
I think my mommy should lead now.
Why shouldn't I lead? Hey.
No, actually, no, I think it's because of the rocks. Because Tanya stumbled a little. What? We should just be with my mom. Yeah.
Whatever. She wants to take charge. What?
Yeah.
I've been on this trail many times. I know all about this. Whatever. I'll let her lead. I have experienced rocks. Okay, whatever. Both you be quiet.
Glass Mountain is in the town. Whoa. You'll love it. Yeah. Just real quick, can you take a picture? Hey,
Yeah, okay.
That was fun. I want a picture right here saying, what?
I don't
We
know.
have our own.
How do you think all these rocks got here? Do you think it was giants?
No.
Do you think they moved them here with giant bulldozers and cranes?
No.
Do you think it was natural processes?
Yes.
Processes. Like wind and water erosion and compression.
Yeah. Or like maybe the people who like got this so that they can make like a hike thing, just put the rocks in.
With giant cranes and bulldozers, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. I still kind of like my theory of giants playing badminton.
Red, sorry, a red ribbon around the oh. I need to get new shoes. Track shoes. That is bigger.
Mine.
It's been 10,000.
Oh, I got 10,000 steps too.
10,000.
That's deep.
See by the woods.
Don't drink a lot of water.
You need new trekking shoes, right?
That's up to you.
You're not
You want to go swimming? You want to go swimming in this? You want to see what's inside?
Don't touch it.
Yeah, I want to see what's inside. Get a stick.
Don't disturb their habitat.
Why?
Besides, it might run up the stick and get you in the hand.
And then respect nature.
Look over there, yeah.
What's that? Did you hear something? Yeah.
Anya, look at that one.
Look at that one. Whoa, wow, those are big. Look at that one. Look at that one. This is probably where the spiders are.
Spider-Man.
Or whipworms.
Wait, the only man that's here right now is him. So he's Spider-Man.
No, it's too heavy for that.
Hey.
Love you, Dad.
You're so mean to me. Bullies.
What was that?
Bullies. Bullies.
I don't see one. What was that? Oh, right over there. I don't see one. Oh my gosh. Oh, there it is.
Bullies.
This is the web area.
We're getting there. No getting lost like last time.
Okay, good.
This trail is well marked.
How close are we?
Good.
Yeah, how close?
Close enough.
How much is close enough?
I don't know.
Jack?
No.
Jack.
This trail is well marked, plus it's well established on the app. It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah. It's hot.
It's not hot.
Yes, it is.
It's like 60 degrees.
It's hot. It's hot.
Oh, you're just saying it's hot because you're actually moving and doing something. I hope everyone put on deodorant this morning.
I don't have to yet.
I'm pretty sure I did. Mommy, what about you? I think she's mumbled, mm-hmm. Stop, Anya. Look to the left.
Yeah, that.
The Valley of Cedars. Stop throwing sticks. Well, I'm enjoying my time out here. It's not hot like they say. It's only like 60 degrees. And it's not humid. They're just complaining. I'm just happy to get outside before it starts raining again.
A little bit and then go back. That's not sure. Find the red one. The red mark. Yeah, this is it. Remember you crossed that going?
No. Now we didn't go to this.
This is it.
With your feet.
Bigger. Shoes.
Okay, that's it.
Your shoes. Your shoes won't be get wet.
Wait. Is there any rocks?
No.
Rocks! No, I need rocks.
You are not going to throw rocks in there.
What? I'm not throwing rocks in there.
You're not going to make steps.
Hmm?
You're not making steps. Just go.
I don't want to.
Your feet won't get wet.
That's why you're wearing boots.
That's why you're wearing boots.
Can I have a stick?
No, you're okay. Just
Can I
go.
have a stick?
Just go.
Okay, no. That one said.
Just go.
Come on, there's people behind us.
See?
Ew, that's disgusting. It's disgusting. I can feel it though. It's disgusting.
I like that part.
Why?
It's pretty down there.
Oh, find the stick. What? I don't need a stick.
Can't tell it's the end of the trail. I think they realized it's the end of the trail. It's the end of the trail. End of the trail, end of the day. Until the next one. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment. Check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.